ndị be anyị ekene unu n'ụbọchị tata n'oge nke ndị ọma na Igbo World Television. Ndị be anyị unu n'ezi anya unu ga-afụ na ndị Igbo ezue anyị anọ ego ka isi anọ were atọtụ ngụga. I dey talk am for Igbo World Television, this one for Igbo ndị ọma today. Say every Igbo man everywhere you dey, better thing go dey happen for you. I say I wait here na pidgin English. I say I wait here no pidgin English for us to talk am for pidgin English, because we dey talk am here say a lot of people, a lot of non-people who no be Igbo people, they follow us for television, they follow us on air, they follow us for Facebook, they follow us for Twitter, they follow us for Instagram. So we wan do this one for those that know they hear Igbo correctly, but you dey hear but you know they speak. You dey speak but you know they hear. This program na for you. I will help you also when I say no ya dilo onye number with the great Igbo people. As you can see me for studio with these two beautiful girls, two beautiful ladies, ndị ọma ndị Igbo. I will not know ga dilo na mma. I na-ekpele onye ọbụla ekpele n'aha Jesus. We dey pray for you in the name of Jesus. And so we dey talk am for Igbo ndị ọma this morning for Igbo World TV. So by the na me be the Onyeisi Nchuaja, the director of Igbo World Television. They talk am for now. So as we dey talk am for now, we go dey bring you a program where go dey jolly you for body as you dey lis ten to us. Beside me here as you dey na one of the Ejima wey your name be Ejima. You go dey talk loud o, say that thing wey you dey see for screen, you go dey jump up or down. If you no reach red, you no be say your voice no carry the thing. So you go talk very well, make the thing dey jump reach red. Na him say the ancestors dey hear you wetin you dey talk, and people dey hear you also. So wetin be your name for this program? Ozonwoyemata. Who your own? Ozoemeri. As you can see now, another lady wey dey beside me now. That lady, since the time wey I dey talk am for the phone, I know say the lady get something. And I don't know say na this kind people wey you go give politics for Nigeria go better. People wey be action. You see, if this kind people come for you, you know say person don dey your side. Abeg my lady, wetin be your name?
My name na Lady B.
Lady B. As you come talk and say na Lady B. So we dey greet all of you now. So as you come dey, I start with you, Lady B. Please, may you tell the world wetin be your name for this Igbo ndị ọma for today.
Okay. I thank you now. Nado. My real name na be Irefe Bubemi, aka Lady B. My real name na Irefe Bubemi, aka Lady B. For the industry, na me I be actress for the entertainment industry. I dey entertain people, both comedy and acting. Na I be.
So wetin come bring you come for Igbo World Television this morning?
I come Igbo World Television this morning. Come show myself. Come let una know say I dey here. And anybody when he gets something to do for the nation in and outside Igbo, wanna come this Igbo World production. The Igbo World Television is sabi everything. E go advertise una goods and services. E go take una pass where una no expect to another land. Na here e dey happen. So me too, I wan come partake for inside too. Na make me dey here.
I will dey greet you, my lady. We dey greet you. So the people wey dey look us for television, na so here we dey with Lady B, the jolly for Igbo ndị ọma Igbo World Television with these two beautiful Ejimas. As you can say in Igbo land, Ejima before Christian come na taboo, but now Ejima na blessing. As you can see, any woman wey dey in husband house dey pray make God give him ejima, because as if you come see ejima you know say God don give you double, and so, double blessing be that. And
na me be their manager.
Yes,
I dey manage them.
They manage them very well. For any movie wey you wan do, wey you just call Lady B, Lady B na the woman wey you go call, or you contact us on Igbo World, dey ask for Lady B. Yes. Na Lady B be the production manager for Igbo World TV now. As I dey talk am, na so God dey sign am for everybody. So Lady B, now I talk, wetin come bring you come inside movie industry?
The movie industry I enter because I like am well well. Na something wey e dey my mind. I dey like art. I dey like bring out the real me wey e dey inside me. So na make me enter movie industry, because me I be action woman, and I dey like do things wey be say everybody go see, they go learn lesson from.
Thank you very much. My people, as you can see, Lady B say in movie they enter in body, they enter in spirit. Na him wey she won't come inside Nollywood now. She dey act, she dey sing, she dey dance, she dey manage. Now she be the manager for this Ejima wey dey beside me. These girls where you see so, now bless me if you add them for your production, just like they come Igbo World TV now. Our Igbo World TV don't begin to change this since morning. A lot of things going to happen here. So begin the call now. May you call Lady B for Igbo World TV for all your direction, all your acting. She go package you well. She come the package just now. As you can see how Igbo World TV did this morning. So my people, they tell you now, no they listen to gossip anywhere. No waiting God want you to do. Just move ahead, they do am. Certificate no the better for Nigeria now. Wetin the better for Nigeria now, wetin you can use your life they do. As the people where we dey here now, they shell it for Igbo World TV. So we thank everybody. Lady B, as you come they enter now, they organize things for Lady B. Wetin you come they wish people when they watch you right now?
Me, I dey wish they well, because as I dey so, mostly this Nigeria wey we dey so, certificate no go carry us go anywhere. Even if you even get certificate, you no go fit get the job wey you want the certificate to get for you. So that talent, that gift, that spirit wey God created you with to take do something, bring am out, make you come exhibit am for Igbo World Channel Television.
Thank you very much, my people. As you can see, we don dey shell am now. Now I go to the next people where the girl wait there for my right hand. Baby, say that your name na
Mary Ozoye.
Na Mary Ozoye. So Mary, what made you won't carry you come enter movie industry now?
What made me enter into movie industry is because I have a passion for it. Even when I dey small, I dey add drama for school. They call us drama twin. And I later found out it's my talent and it's my passion, so I have to run am.
So you say na drama twin wey dey now for Igbo World TV now. Yeah. So the thing dey for your passion, e dey inside your passion. They move you when you small, abi? Yeah. You dey act since you dey small, abi? Yeah. For how many years now you don act?
Like 5 to 4.
4 to 5 years you don dey act. 4 to 5 years you don dey act now. My people, una don dey see am. This one na
Ozoye matter.
Na Ozoye matter be this one. Ozoye matter, wetin come dey move you? Wetin come bring you enter Igbo World TV now?
Like my sister dey here, me too, I get passion for acting. Since I was small, I want to live a celebrity life, all these stars. That's why I watch Nigerian movie to see the likes of Mercy Johnson, Tonto Dike, because I admire them and I have passion for acting. I'm wishing and praying to God that one day I will become a celebrity like them. That's what.
My people, you don't hear am. See o, she won't become like Tonto Dike, Genevieve Nnajando Motola. See am o, na so these people wey they move me too when I dey small. I wan marry, which one I wan marry that time? Na Omotola. I dey look Omotola that time. I think Omotola go be my wife.
Na people wife you dey talk to so.
I know, but that time they never marry now, and I be small pikin that time. I dey think say one day I will grow up marry Omotola because that woman fine for film and she dey act some beautiful film that time. So me too, the thing dey move me. I wan become celebrity. Now even here for Igbo World TV, celebrity don shele. Na person wey dey see your face for screen, na him dey know.
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you, as you go see these twins from today, they don become celebrity. Then they put celeb for your name anytime when you wan call your name, because as people dey watch you, there are 12 million people wey dey watch us right now. So and I believe na in a very short time now you go dey feature in every kind of movie wey Igbo World TV dey do.
Yes,
You see? So my people I dey greet. So in the movie industry, which of the film wey you don watch wey you come like with your passion, what's the name of the film wey you come like? Akweke. You see am, na you be Mary abi? Mary come like Akweke. Have you people watch this film wey they call Akweke? We go plan for Igbo World TV in 1 hour time, so that you go know the kind film wey make Mary, Ejima Mary, come enter movie because he like a film wey they call Akweke. Make una go for market, go look for that film, go buy. When you buy that kind of film, watch am, so that he go dey impress you as he don impress many. Okay, you nko wetin film wey you wan watch wey dey movie?
The name of the film na Onyeze by Osofia and that Somadi na Adem.
You see? Her own na Onyeze. That film wey dey call Onyeze. Go to the market now, search for the film, carry am put for your television. We go show Onyeze after we show Akweke. We go show Onyeze. Keep watching Igbo World TV now. We go show these two films. If you have any problem, if you have anything wey dey concern your life, may you call Igbo World TV now. May we come help you. Do anything. Person dey disturb you, police dey chase you, army dey chase you, anything wey dey, even witch and wizard, we get Onyeisi Nchụaja for Igbo World TV wey go deliver you from witches and wizard now. As I dey talk am, e go dey do. May una no die in silent, my people. Igbo World TV is here to help you carry every of your life burden. Very soon we go start comedy. You go laugh tire. Jesus Nsukka dey come Igbo World TV now. Massive comedy dey call you. Even Emanuela and Makangela. Very soon you go dey see am for Igbo World TV. For you to know say we don carry everything come to solve every problem of humanity for Igbo World TV. Last time Hausa people dey call me for Igbo World TV, say Koima Hausa Magana. I don't know wetin they speak. I say Lafia. I don't say na Lafia na well. Lafia na well. I just they say well Lafia. You see, Igbo World TV is #1 Igbo TV station where you go watch till from morning till night. You no go change your channel. Continue watching Igbo World TV. My people, may we take this little break. May we go find something. Come out, put for mouth. We chop, we come back. We finish wetin we started. Igbo ndị ọma na-ege ntị. Igbo kwenu.